Hi, this is Rob Allman. I want to welcome you to our newest listing. It's in the Santorini complex in the neighborhood of Bird Rock La Jolla. It's a 3-bed, 2.5-bath penthouse. We worked tirelessly on the marketing of this property prior to hitting the market, and because of that, in our unique marketing strategy, we were able to procure a buyer and actually got an offer $175,000 over list price prior to even hitting the market. In this uncertain time, many people are concerned about what they can net on their property, but please feel free to reach out to us and let's talk about doing the same thing for you.